Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run predictive model markup language, that is PMML, in logistic regression in KNIME. We run logistic regression analysis when we are having one categorical dependent variable, the example of which is a patient having the heart disease or not having the heart disease. There can be many independent variables, and these independent variables can be on continuous or categorical scale. Now, how to run PMML? Let's see in KNIME Analytics platform. First of all, I will activate input output node from here so that I can import my CSV file. I'll have to activate first. Yeah. Now I'll double click on it. Browse the dataset which is in CSV format. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. You can see the target variable which is a heart disease, yes or no. The classification of this is to be done on the basis of age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. They all are on different scale, and that's the reason I will have to normalize it. Again, I right click on it and configure. I'll remove old peak and fasting blood sugar from here. And the normalization which we will use is mean max normalization. Three types of normalization are available: mean max, z-score, normalization by decimal scaling. I've already uploaded the videos on normalization. Kindly refer my playlist. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I'll activate the logistic learner from here. Again, right click on it and configure. So I'll keep the reference category no. And the prediction of the heart disease is to be done on the basis of those variables which have been normalized. Age has been normalized. Resting blood pressure has been not normalized. Cholesterol and maximum hours of exercise. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the coefficient and statistics. I'll request my viewers to kindly refer the previous videos in which the interpretation of coefficient and p-value has been done in a very elaborative way. Now this model has been created. Now I want to, you can say in other words, I want to save this model. So I'll activate the PMML writer from here. Configure. It will ask me the location where you want to save this. So browse. I'll say please save this as my logistic regression in D drive. Save. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now the model has been saved. Now I will open the new workflow from here. And again, I will activate input output from here. Read CSV reader. Double click on it. Browse. I'll pick up the new data set now. So part 1 test open. Okay. This was not used data set for the learning purpose. So it's a completely new data set. Execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. Now we want to do the prediction of the heart disease for this 10 new patients on the basis of the model which we have saved. So activate the PMML reader from here. Double click on it. It will ask the location where your model has been saved in PMML language. So I'll click on Logistic PMML, open. Okay. Right click on it and execute. Now I will activate the PMML predictor from here. I'll connect this data set with the PMML predictor configure. Click on both of them as usual. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the predicted data. So you can see here the prediction which has been done, right? The prediction which has been done. I think that the normalization is to be activated. No worries. Remove this. Activate the normalizer from here, as this data is a completely new data and therefore the normalization is required here also. Configure. Remove old peak and fasting blood sugar. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, you can see the normalized table have been denormalized. Age, cholesterol, resting blood pressure, and maximum. Yes, they have been normalized. Now we will enter this data into the PML predictor and execute. Again, right click and see the predicted data. Yeah, that's quite good. So we were getting uh, all yes, yes, or all no, no, because the data was not normalized. So this is the way you can use PMML in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.